The promise of safety comes from the perfect alignment to quality and precision. Uncompromising attention to detail and strict adherence to quality processes in the production of each component delivers performance and confidence on the road. Dowa High Temp brings to you this promise with its high standards of quality and excellence in the manufacture and delivery of industrial furnaces, heat treatment services, and in particular, treatment of automobile parts such as engine components, transmission gears, and valves. 16 production sites and facilities in 6 international locations and over 1,200 qualified specialist personnel, Dowa is the leading name in terms of heat treatment furnaces and plants. Our production sites and offices in Japan, United States of America, China, Thailand, Indonesia and India cater to a wide range of industrial furnaces for automobile manufacturers. Dowa High Temp is the world's first choice in automotive furnace heat treatment technology. With over 3,000 installed furnaces till date worldwide at leading automotive factories and at Tier 1 and 2 automotive components manufacturers, our focus has been on quality, cost and delivery.
At Dowa High Temp, we put our customers ahead in everything we do, and this has been testimony of our success since 1884. This core philosophy is reflected in 3 fundamental principles which are part of our DNA: innovation and technology, quality and performance, and our ability to provide the highest level of customer satisfaction by combining quality, cost and delivery benefits.
Dowa High Temp amalgamates Japanese technical excellence with the skilled resources and the cost advantages of India. With our first full-fledged large-scale facility of over 75,000 square feet with fully automated operations, we assure 100% commitment to delivery, maintaining Japanese quality service standards with process compliance. Delivering over 8,000 tons a month and installing over 3,000 furnaces to over 500 customers, Dowa High Temp has the know-how with years of expertise and technology to support every imagined furnace technology. Our consistent performance, extensive understanding and excellent quality have earned us the long-standing trust of the leading names in the engineering and automotive industry worldwide. Strict adherence to regulations and quality standards with the observance of good management practices has earned us various quality certifications. At Dowa High Temp, we are committed to delivering quality, technology and innovation.